Hare Krishna. Hello friends, how are you all doing? I hope you all are doing well. This is Ritendra, I am preacher of Srimad Bhagavad Gita, and today I am going to talk about Bhagavatam, 10 canto of Srimad Bhagavatam, and I am going to talk about Damodar Ashtakam, Damodar Leela of Lord Krishna, when Lord Krishna got bound by Mother Yashoda, and Lord Krishna tied with one pole, and Lord Krishna stated, Maya, I didn't stole, I didn't steal the makhana, I didn't steal that. This is what Lord Krishna stated. But before I start my lecture, I would like to introduce Srimad Bhagavatam. This is Srimad Bhagavatam, written by Bhakti Vedanta Srila Mahaprabhupada. The major difference between Srimad Bhagavad Gita and Srimad Bhagavatam is Srimad Bhagavad Gita, which preached by Lord Krishna, and in Srimad Bhagavatam, each and every incarnation of Lord Sri Hari Vishnus are mentioned. Even Lord Krishna's Leela are also mentioned. So let's get into Damodar Leela of Lord Krishna. Lord Krishna, Madhav, Madhusudan, Mukunda. The most inspirational story, the most inspirational things. Lord Krishna himself is an inspiration. Lord Krishna himself is a motivation. So let's talk. एकदा गृहदासीषु यशोदानंद गेहिनी कर्मांतरे नियुकासु निर्ममथ स्वयं ददी यानी यातिह गीतानि यानी यातिह गीतानि तदा न चरितानि च त्रदी निम्न नथे काले स्मरन्ति तान्य गायतः श्री सुखदेव गोस्वामी उवाच. One day when Mother Yashoda so all the maid servants were engaged in other household affairs, she personally began to churn yogurt. Yogurt means makhan. And while churning of yogurt, she remembered the childish activities of Lord Krishna. She remembered childish activities of Lord Krishna. Lord Krishna stole yogurt and also all kind of naughty activities Lord Krishna did in his childhood, and in her own way she composed a song and enjoyed singing to herself about all those activities. Lord Mata Yashoda started to sing a song in the memories of Lord Krishna's the naughty activity of Lord Krishna's childhood. Mata Yashoda started to sing a song. Actually, Mata Yashoda was the biggest devotee of Lord Krishna, because Lord Krishna was nurtured by Mata Yashoda. So, if my mother is nurtured me, then and if I am incarnation of Lord Sri Hari Vishnu, then my mother become my devotee. Na? Even each and every gopis, each and every wives of Lord Krishna is only Lord Krishna's devotee. Here, Mata Yashoda started, means churning yogurt at that time. Mata Yashoda started to sing a song for Lord Krishna. Shroma Vasa Pruthu Katati Vimnita Sruta Nindaha Putra Sneha Snuyata Kachu Yugaha Chata Karma Cha Srubaha Rajva Karsya Srumatru Chalata Karkano Kundaleha Chaha Simna Vakta Kabara Vingla Na Malanti Nimnatha. Here, dressed in a saffron yellow sari, Mata Yashoda wore saffron yellow sari with a belt tied about her full hips. Mother Yashoda pulled on her churning rope and laboring the considerably. She bangle and earring moving and vibrating, and also her whole body shaking because of her intense love for his child. Because of her intense love, mother is always loved to his means her child. Mother is always loved to her child, and her breast were wet with milk, and her face with its very beautiful eyebrows was wet with precipitations, and malti flowers were falling from her hair. तास स्तकन्य काम साधी मनंती जननी हरि मीन्स मथ्यंती जननी ए जननी हरि गृहीत्वा हृदि मंथान नियसेत प्रतिमा वहन. While Mother Yashoda was churning butter, Lord Krishna, desiring to drink the milk of her breast, and appeared before her. Mata Yashoda, I want to drink. your breast milk. This is what Lord Krishna stated to her mother. And in order to increase her transcendental pleasure, actually Putna, the Rakshasi Putna, is also known as a breast feeding mother of Lord Krishna. He caught hold of the churning rod and also began to prevent her from journeying. Lord Krishna started to stop. Lord Krishna has stopped Mata Yashoda to churning activities. And also Tamakamaru Dupra Patistanah Snehastantu Smiti Miksati Mukhamah Atpushtam Susrujya Jvanena Sayah Uttishtana Chayapi Prapasi Ravidhi Misrate. Your mother Yashoda then embraced Lord Krishna. Lord Krishna hugged by Mother Yashoda, embraced by Mother Yashoda, and allowed him to sit down on her lap. And allowed him, Lord Krishna, means Mother Yashoda allowed Lord Krishna to sit on her lap and began to look upon the face of Lord Krishna with a great love and affection. Mata Yashoda was the biggest devotee of Lord Krishna because Lord Krishna's childhood was a great. When Mata is always loving to her child, always loving, showing her affection, showing her love, showing her respect to her child, and whatever child has done, whether child done all kind of sinful activities, but mother will definitely forgive his means her own child because of her intense affection, because of Mother Mata Yashoda's intense affection. The milk was flowing from her breast. Milk was flowing from her breast. But when she saw that the milk pan on the oven was boiling over, she immediately left her son to take care of the overflowing milk. And although the child was not yet fully satisfied with drinking the milk of his mother breast, actually Mata Yasoda put some milk in order to make it boil on a stove. So suddenly, actually, the pen milk was started to boil. At that time, Mata Yasoda was actually put Lord Krishna aside from her lap and went there to in order to take care of the boiled milk. So, but Lord Krishna was not completely satisfied. सजात कपोपि स्फूर्तितानि ऋणाधरः सन्दस्य दीर्घनामि धमन्य भाजनम मितवान मृस्वा तुतु प्रसामरः जदाह हेयत्वन मत्पर गतमः. Here, being very angry and biting his reddish lip with his teeth, and Krishna with a false tear in his eye broke the container of yogurt and with the pieces of the stone, and then he entered a room and began to eat the freshly churned butter in a solitary place. Lord Krishna actually broken the container of yogurt or makhan or butter, and Lord Krishna went to some place, a solitary place, in order to eat some fresh yogurt. So this is the actually naughty things of Lord Krishna. This is Lord Krishna. This is Madhav. This is Madhusudana. This is Mohana. This is Krishna. This is Vasudev. Mata Yasoda and Vasudev, Lord Krishna's transcendental love and transcendental affection. उत्तार्य गोपी सृषत प्रय पुनः प्रविशति संदेश्य च द्रध्य मतकमः प्रग विलोक्य सुख सुतस्य कर्म च सुहृदस्य चापी न तत्र पश्यति. Mother Yashoda, after taking down a hot milk from the oven, returned to the churning spot. When she saw that the container of yogurt was broken, then Krishna was not present at that time, and she concluded that breaking of the pot was work of Lord Krishna. It was only Lord Krishna. It was on this activity is only done by Lord Krishna. So the Lord Krishna did break this particular container of yogurt. This is what Mata Yasoda assumed. Krishna at that time was sitting on the upside down wooden mortar for grinding the species, and was distributing the milk preparations such as yogurt and butter, butter to the monkey as he liked. And because of the having stolen, he was looking all around with a great anxiety and suspecting that he might be chastised by his mother. Actually, the yogurt was stolen. At that time, Lord Krishna was great in great anxiety and looking here and there. And Lord Krishna stated, "Might Yashoda Mata will come. Yashoda Mata will come and also chastise me." This is what Lord Krishna thought. And Mother Yashoda, upon seeing, very casually approached him, and from the behind, Miss Mata Yashoda came from behind. When Lord Krishna saw his mother stick in his hand, he very quickly got down from the top of the mortar and began to flee as if very much afraid. Lord Krishna started to flee, escape from the particular place because Mata Yashoda suddenly arrived there. And Lord Krishna, actually, Mata Yashoda stated, "You have stolen the yogurt, so you have to get punishment for this." So, in order to punish Lord Krishna, Mata Yashoda started to catch him, but Lord Krishna started to escape from the particular place. And this kind of the chasing, Lord Krishna was moving ahead and Mata Yashoda is moving behind Lord Krishna. So this kind of the race has started, and Mata Yashoda started a song, "Hey Hari, Hey Vasudev, Hey Maiya, Hey Govind." ओ मैया मोरी मैं नहीं माखन खायो, ओ मैया मोरी मैं नहीं माखन खायो, ओ मैया मोरी मैं नहीं माखन खायो. This song was started by Lord Krishna. While following Krishna, Mother Yashoda, her thin waist overburdened by her heavy breast, and naturally had to reduce her speed. And because of the following Krishna very swiftly, Miss her hair become loose, and the flower in her hair were falling after her. And she didn't fail to capture. Miss she did not fail to capture her son Lord Krishna. Lord Krishna was captured by Mother Yashoda, and when caught by Mother Yashoda, Krishna became more and more afraid and admitted to being an offender. Lord Krishna admitted that, "Yeah, Ma, I have stolen your yogurt. I have stolen your butter, Ma, and actually I have broken your the container or the pot of yogurt." So this is what Lord Krishna admitted. As she looked upon him, she saw that she was crying. He was crying. Lord Krishna started to cry. Lord Krishna was very naughty, very dramabaz. So Lord Krishna did a drama, and Lord Krishna stated, "Ma, ma, 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 yeah, I have stolen your yogurt, Ma," and started to cry. And mother is always mother. When mother is seeing her son in a pain, in a disturbed state, Mata Yashoda started to forgive him and started to pamper Lord Krishna. His tear mixing with the black ointment around his eyes, and he rubbed his eye with his hand, and he smeared the ointment of all over the face. And Mother Yashoda, catching her beautiful son by hand, and midly began to chastise him. त्यक्ता तिष्ठ श्रुतभृतः विज्ञाय म कर्वस्तकलः येष किल बंधुत्व धर्मादि धृधिर गोविंदः. Mother Yashoda was always overwhelmed by intense love for Krishna, not knowing who Krishna was or how powerful he was. And because of maternal affection for Lord Krishna, she never ever cared to know who he was. I mean, never ever cared who Lord Krishna, whether Lord Krishna is incarnation Lord Sri Hari or not. Because of maternal affection, Mata Yashoda always consider herself as Lord Krishna's maternal or Lord Krishna's own mother. So she doesn't care whether Lord Krishna is the incarnation of Lord Sri Hari Vishnu or not. Therefore, when she was that her son, she saw that her son had become excessively afraid. She threw the stick away and desired to bind him so that she would not commit any further naughty activities. So Mata Yasoda actually throw that particular stick and also started to bind Lord Krishna in order to stop Lord Krishna to commit any further naughty activities. The Supreme Personality Godhead was not beginning and also no end. Lord Krishna doesn't has a beginning and also end. No exterior and no interior, no front and no rear. In the other world, he is all pervading because he is not under influence of any element of time. For him, there is no difference between the past, present, and future. There is no difference. For Lord Krishna, there is no difference between the past, present, and future. And he exists in his own transcendental form at all time, and being absolute beyond real relativity, and he is free from all the distinction between the cause and effect, although he is a cause and effect of everything. Lord Krishna is a cause and effect of everything. Lord Krishna, हे वासुदेव, हे मधुसूदन, हे मुकुंदा, हे वासुदेवा मधुसूदना, मुरलीधरा, हे मुरलीधरा, धरा धरा मधुसूदना, मनमोहना, हे मुरलीधरा. Lord Krishna is a cause. Lord Krishna is a primary cause. And Lord Krishna is a primary cause for everything. And primary cause and effect of everything. This is what Lord Krishna stated. The unmanifested person. Lord Krishna is unmanifested person who is beyond the perception of the senses. Lord Krishna is beyond the perception of the senses. Had now appeared as a human child, and also Mother Yasoda, considering him her own ordinary child, and bound him to the wooden mortar with a rope. And Damodar Lila, Lord Krishna started Damodar Ashtakam. ए मैया मोरी मैं नहीं माखन खायो, ओ मैया मोरी मैं नहीं माखन खायो, ओ मैया मोरी मैं नहीं माखन खायो, हो मैया मोरी मैं नहीं माखन खायो. So this is what Lord Krishna started. This song was started by Lord Krishna. Lord Krishna was tied with a wooden mortar rope. तददाम बंध्य मानस्य स्वभावस्य कर्स्य कृतागसः दृश्य दुलान नमून भूतेन संधन दैन्यत्यन गोपिकाः. When Yasoda Mata, when Mother Yasoda was trying to bind the offending child, when Mother Yasoda started to bind offending child, she saw that binding rope was short by distance width of the two fingers. Actually, the two fingers, the particular rope was shorted, and Lord Krishna was not able to tie. She was not able to tie to Lord Krishna. यदा चितत्र रूपून न्यून तेदात्मेन संधन्ते तदपि न द्रुहुदुन्ते न्यून यदः यदादन्त बन्धनम. Here, this rope was also shorted by measurement of the two finger. When another rope was joined to it, and it was still two finger too short, and as many rope as she joined, all of them failed, and their shortness could not be overcome. The shortness, two fingers shorted of the particular rope, it was not overcome. And thus the Mother Yasoda joined whatever rope were available in the household, but still she failed in her attempt to bind Lord Krishna. Mother Yasoda's friend the elderly gopis in the neighborhood were smiling and enjoying the fun. Similarly, Mother Yasoda, although laboring in that way, was also smiling. All of them were struck with wonder. Because of Mother Yasoda's hard labor, her whole body become covered with precipitations and flower and also comb were falling from her hair. And when child Krishna saw her mother thus fatigued, and he became merciful to her mother and agreed to be bound. Lord Krishna started, Mother, I am ready to bound. Oh Maharaj Parikshit, this entire universe, with this great exalted demigods like Lord Shiva, exalted demigods like Lord Shiva, Lord Brahma, and Lord Indra, is under the control of Supreme Personality God and Lord Krishna. As the Supreme Lord has one transcendental attribute. This is the transcendental attribute. This is the supreme love for Lord Krishna of Lord Krishna to her mother. And when Lord Krishna noticed that her mother started fatigue, at that time Lord Krishna said, Ma, I am going to get bound by your rope. Otherwise, no one can bound to Lord Krishna, but we can bind Lord Krishna with the love and affection, with the supreme mercy of Lord Krishna. Neither Lord Brahma nor Shiva nor even the goddess of the fortune, who is always the better half of Lord's Supreme Personality Godhead, Lord Krishna, can obtain from the Supreme Personality Godhead the deliverer from this material world. Such a mercy as received by Mother Yasoda. This kind of mercy was received by Mother Yasoda. The Supreme Personality Godhead Krishna, the son of Mother Yasoda, is accessible to devotee engaged in the spontaneous loving service. But he is not as easily accessible to the mental speculator, to those striving for the self-realization by severe austerities, the penance, and those who consider the body the same as the self. While Mother Yasoda was very busy while household affair, the Supreme Personality Godhead Lord Krishna observed the twin tree known as Yamala and Arjuna, which in the form of millennium had been the demigod sons of Kubera. So deliverance of the Yamala and Arjuna tree. I will conduct this lecture in my next video. So I have already talked about the great affection of Lord Krishna toward his mother and Mother Yasoda's affection toward toward her son. So this is a great affection. I hope you all can understand. If you are having any question, any doubt, then please put a comment. Thank you so much. बोलो बांके बिहारी लाल की जय. हे वासुदेव, हे कृष्ण, हे मधुसूदन, हे मुरारी, हे केशवा, हे गोवर्धना, हे जनार्दन, हे मुकुंदा, हे माधव, हे द्वारकाधीश, जय द्वारकाधीश. हरे कृष्णा.